Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I am Joanne Day Puyart. I am 28 years old. I am married. I have one son, 1 year and 8 months. I am college level undergraduate and I took midwifery course for 3 years. I have experience here in the Philippines as a house helper for 2 years. I do cooking, washing dishes, washing clothes, ironing, gardening, take care of dogs, and take care of children. If you will hire me, I promise that I will do my responsibilities with love and dedication. And I hope that I will be part of your family and I will treat your family as my own family. I am a happy person, motivated, and hardworking. Thank you so much, Mom and Sir. Good day.